Shut up, suit up, show up. Now, I'm speaking to myself when I say this. Shut up means stop whining. You know, there are people who don't have food today. There are people whose children are being killed today. There are people who don't have a roof over their... You have tons of things. Shut up, don't whine. Speaking to myself. Suit up means prepare, do your homework. Don't expect life just to present it to you. You have to go out and work hard at something. Show up meaning not show off, but just do the best you can. Sooner or later, life knocks us down. Death is the great democracy, but you're here to live it as best you can by lights that matter within instead of what people around you are saying. And as simplistic as that slogan is, I know a lot of people have copied it and put it on their refrigerator because it's a reminder of this is your life, you're accountable, what are you going to do about that?